Happy Republic Day to one and all. Do you worry a lot? Is your sleep disturbed because of your worries? Hello people. Welcome to Fitter Body Leads to Fitter Mind and Happy You. I am Dr. Rashmi. Before we go ahead and answer these questions, here is a story for you all. There was this little boy in a small village. He was always fearful about darkness. One day he was busy playing in his friend's house, and by the time he finished his playing, it became real dark. Looking at the darkness, he was real scared within to go back home alone. So he went to his friend's father and asked for a torch. His friend's father said, "It's okay, you can walk on your own, you're old enough for it." With no other option left, boy started walking back home in the darkness. On his way back, he suddenly saw that there was a cobra. So he ran back to his friend's dad and he said, "I just now saw a big cobra which is blocking my way. Can you please drop me back home?" Listening to the little boy, friend's father had a smile on his face and he said, "Okay, let me put some light on your cobra." So he took a torch along and went in the same road where the boy had crossed. Even going with the friend's father, the boy was little hesitant to go in the same road. Friend's father said, "It's okay, come, I'll put a light on it and show you what it is." So once they went further close to the spot where the boy had seen the cobra, friend's father put some light on there. Boy realized that it was not a cobra but a rope which he had assumed it as a cobra. So what do we understand from this story? We all have so many cobras that we see in our own lives because of our own concerns or because of our own assumptions. Here, the boy ended up believing a rope as a cobra because he had the fear of darkness. Once, friend's father put torch on that rope, that is when the boy realized it is not cobra but a rope that he has believed as cobra. So in our day-to-day life as well, we come across so many cobras. Does it mean that we really see cobras? It's our own worries, it's our own doubts, or it's our own insecurities which make us see so many cobras in our life. So what do? We find a light and throw some light on whatever we are experiencing as a cobra, so that we realize actually it is not a cobra but a rope that we are assuming it to be a cobra. So how do we get this light? It might be through your knowledge or seeking help, expressing your concerns to people who are aware of things, who are better capable of handling situations, or who have gone through the life experiences themselves. Or you can also seek help from professionals. So here is a simple example for you to understand much easily. It is my own experience that I want to share with you all. There was this half-white cotton pant which my son used to wear. When I put it for wash and tried to wash it, there was some other color stain that got into the pant as well. All through the process of washing that and drying it, I was thinking, oh my god, this new pant got stained. And I was more worried about how my son is going to be hurt because it was one of his favorites. I spent almost 2 hours worrying about it. The moment I came across my son, I went ahead and told him, "Your favorite pant is colored now." Without even blinking, my son said, "It's okay, Mama." This really surprised me. Then I started analyzing the situation. Was it me who was more bothered about his emotions? If I wouldn't have shared what actually happened, I would still spend the whole day thinking about the pan getting stained. It took me some courage to tell the truth to my son and to overcome my fear of hurting his feelings. This is how we all complex lot of simple and small situations in our own life. When people come seeking help from me, the one thing that is more common is the complexity in everything that has been there, and the time they had invested in worrying rather than expressing. It so commonly happens that your care and love for the other person always stops you from telling the truth. The longer you keep the incident within, there are loads of worries that you are piling upon yourself. This is how we always complex our simple life and put ourselves through a lot of stress and worries. Please do understand, worries are always imaginary. You don't have a solid proof for it. Once you start throwing light on your concerns or worries by seeking professional help, you will be able to really understand, is there an other angle for the same situation that you are worrying about. So stop investing time on worries and start taking action and seek help. This will save you loads of time and save your health as well. A day of worry is more exhausting than a day of work. That is how we end up losing our sleep as well. Worrying does not take away your tomorrow's troubles. It takes away your today's peace. I hope this video has helped you to come out of your own worries and share the facts with the loved ones. Unless you share, you don't know what the other person's emotions are. Don't be getting worried thinking about how they are going to react to you. Rather, share it and see it actually. This saves you lot of worry and trouble for yourself and for your relationships as well. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me. Do take care and keep smiling.